Welcome back everybody to another banger episode of a Lexus. I'm not gonna lie, today is a day I've been waiting for a long time. If you missed the last episode, we had put tire stickers on, we added this roof wing, which is really cool, and just, you know, some little minor stuff. But if y'all have watched my videos, I kept talking about this mod, this one piece that I've been waiting to add to this car for a long time. It is finally here. I finally got all the pieces and I've already assembled it. Here is the latest, greatest thing I'm waiting to install, and we are about to get it on and popping. I already skipped a few steps, but like I said, we're gonna get into it. But if you're new, this is my IS250. Subscribe to the channel. You haven't really missed anything. You kind of did, but you know, it's all right, because you know, nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes, and your mistake is not subscribing, but it's okay. I forgive you. Just go ahead and go down there, and it's all good. So first things first, to disconnect the battery. Hopefully this doesn't explode. Before you start anything dealing with any airbags, you want to disconnect the battery. And yeah, there we go. Why was that so easy to take off? That's a long backstory when I first got the car. I already disconnected the bolts. All you have to do is slide your seat back and forth. Obviously I can't do it because I just disconnect the battery. There's these plastic caps, and they're on the front and the back of the car. They're held by 14mm bolts and screws. You just have to screw those out. I already loosened them up a lot. It's really not much to it. I'm expecting this part, at least this part, doesn't have a lot to it. Just take the bolts out, and then, man, that's really, that's hard to get. There we go. Woo. Anyway, we got those two out. We already unbolted it. So these are the two spots in the back where you have to undo them. These are the two caps. You just pop those out, real nice and easy. And yeah, don't lose these. I didn't have any hardware. And the best thing about all this, this is, if any of you may recognize, is an NRG Prisma seat. I did not buy it from NRG because for some reason they wouldn't let me purchase the seat from their brand. That was weird. But I got it from Vivid Racing. Got the seat from Vivid Racing, and the seat came with no hardware. Ordered the seat bracket from Vivid Racing by Planted. They also gave me no hardware. So I'm just like, bro, am I just supposed to like super glue this joint and like what, spit on it and it's gonna stick together? Like, what are y'all doing? So had to go to Home Depot, get some more hardware. I just got some 8mm bolts and some washers and some 8mm nuts. Screwed them together. I had to drill some holes. I'll show y'all later, but it was complicated and very hectic. So I'm gonna try and put y'all down. I'm gonna try and take this seat out because I'm pretty sure there are a lot of plugs I have to undo under here. I guess, do I undo this? Okay, that's one. If I start this car up and airbags deploy, y'all owe me a subscribe. I'm not capping. Let's see. Woo! All right, this is the last one. I'm gonna see if I can just slide this out so I can get a better, no I can't, okay. All right, that was easy. Okay, now what's holding it? It's a little pin. It's a push pin in here. All right, cool. That's out. Seat is completely disconnected. Oh my gosh. But now y'all have a good side-by-side of what's going on. For anybody who wants to skip all the freaking forums and the Club Lexuses and the freaking people who don't post videos on this enough, this, I weighed it, weighs 26 pounds. That weighs 26 pounds. This one, from the forums, I haven't weighed it yet, is suggested to weigh 70 pounds, I believe. I think so. All right, so now I'm gonna try and get this other seat in. I'm gonna put y'all back down. We're gonna get this other seat in. Man, guys, look at how this lines up. It slid back a little bit, but I was kind of skeptical. Wow, I'm making up words, but geez, if it could stop sliding. Look how it lines up. Like that one lines up, that one over there almost lines up. That's amazing. I didn't think these seat brackets was gonna work. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna have to get my money back, but it did. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I didn't take this off first, so now I have to undo the seatbelt, bro. All right, so I ran into some difficulties. The freaking stud, this piece right here, is welded into the seat. So now I gotta go get some more hardware to properly put that on this seat. I'm not even gonna show y'all. I'm pretty sure some of y'all can see it already, but I don't even think it's illegal for me to show y'all how I got that on there. So I'm not. So we're gonna skip over that. We are in there. Wow. Okay, first we about to sit in it. First impressions. Woo! This is so low. I didn't know that the seat bracket itself, I did not know it would already be leaning back. And with these NRG seats, you can lean them back further to make it more comfortable so you're not sitting straight up. Now, with that being said, like, I legit can't see. This is crazy. That's actually nuts. So, I don't have time to adjust it right now, but it's like I'm leaned back like a lot. Plus, the steering wheel is really high up. So, let me get this back down. That's down. Lock it in. So this is what I see right now. This is not terrible, but it's definitely not what I'm used to. Now the pedals are far away because I drilled holes into the bracket because only the first 2 set of holes is going to fit the seat. It's a universal bracket, so you have to drill holes to make the rest fit. And I put it towards the rear of the bracket so the seat can sit further away from the wheel, just in case it was like not enough leg room. But this is too much leg room. Now it's enough to where I can still I can put the pedal all the way to the ground, but I'm full reach right now. But whew, the seat itself, solid 8 out of 10 for being comfortable, because I've been sitting on it since I've gotten it and it wasn't that comfortable at first, but now it is. So solid work from NRG. And the crazy part is, ignore that mess over there, but if you look at this, the back where your back is going to be resting, and to that, it's not that big of a difference. You're literally around the same level from distance, but you're sitting so much lower and you're sitting a little bit further and you're leaned back. Like, who drives like that? But me, I drive like, I don't drive close to the wheel, but I drive to where, like, if I can floor it, it won't be a hassle from my legs. Like, I can just stomp my foot down. I don't have to extend my leg at all, but now I do. But just things to get used to. I'm going to get used to it. If I can't, I'm just going to take the seat out, drill some more holes, and see what I can do. If anything, I just need it a little closer. I don't mind it being that low, but whew, like, that seat is really low, guys. I don't know if y'all could like see it from camera view, but in person, my goodness. But before we end this video, I gotta show y'all, like, look at the details, bro. Look at that glitter. Look at the fuchsia Prisma lettering. Like, that junk is fire, bro. Look at the back of this junk. Come on, bro. Come on, son. Like, that's really hard. That junk fire for real. It's freaking, that won't stay down for some reason, but man, let me know what y'all think of this seat. Let me know if you like it. I love it. I've been waiting to get this in this car forever. I'm so glad that it fitted properly and there was no problems like putting the seat in there, even though it looked really challenging. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Thank you for showing your support to the channel. We have just passed 70 subscribers, guys. That's amazing. And now that the seat is in, we are officially only aiming for power. We got to see what this little motor can do. So y'all stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new. You're missing out on a lot, I'm not gonna lie. But thank y'all for your support. See y'all in the next one. Peace.